Hello everybody, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very well. Welcome to EduM Easy. By far, EduM Easy have installed their mathematics labs in various schools across the country and we have seen tremendous results. हमारे मैथ लैब की मदद से बहुत सारे बच्चों ने मैथ को फन और इंटरेस्टिंग वे में सीखा है और बहुत सारे कॉम्पिटिटिव स्किल्स को लर्न किया है। और यही रिजल्ट्स देखते हुए EduM Easy ने अपना मैथमेटिक्स प्राइमरी लैब भी लॉन्च कर दिया है ताकि हमारे छोटे सितारे भी कहीं पीछे ना रह जाए और वो भी उतने ही फन और इंटरेस्टिंग वे में मैथमेटिक्स के सारे कॉन्सेप्ट सीख जाए। तो in our math lab we will provide you with some boards and we call them magical boards। और उन मैजिकल बोर्ड्स को हमने कुछ स्टैंड्स के ऊपर माउंट कर रखा है एंड दे आर सो इजी टू अकोमोडेट। आप उनको कहीं भी लेके जा सकते हैं, दे आर वेरी पोर्टेबल। उसके साथ साथ में वी विल प्रोवाइड यू विद मैग्नेटिक एक्सेसरीज जिसके हेल्प से आप उन बोर्ड्स के ऊपर एक्सपेरिमेंट्स परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं एंड आप बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स को लर्न कर सकते हैं। वी विल सी देम इन अ शॉर्ट व्हाइल। उसके साथ साथ में हम आपको बहुत सारे दूसरे टूल्स भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं इन दोस मैथ किट। और सबसे जरूरी बात, ऑल ऑफ दिस इज मेड अकॉर्डिंग टू योर सिलेबस। आपके हर कॉन्सेप्ट को कवर करते हुए आपको हर चीज एक ही मैथ लैब के अंदर इंस्टॉल्ड मिल जाएगी। तो लेट्स टेक अ टूर एंड सी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बोर्ड्स वी हैव। This one is the time and angle tracker. This is very interesting. First of all, you can understand the entire concept of an analog clock. You can understand how to watch time on an analog clock. You'll have different arms to differentiate between the hour hand, the minute hand and the second hand. You will understand the difference between hours, seconds and minutes. And of course, you can see different kinds of angles being made here. So you can understand the differentiation between different angles and their measurements also. Let's move on to the next board. This is the pattern finder. Very interesting again. You can first of all find different number patterns and match them together. This will help you enhance your critical thinking skills, your logical and analytical skills. Let's move on to the next board. This one is my personal favorite. You can do so many things on this board. So this is the shape discriminator. First of all, you can see different kinds of shapes. Very interesting. You can understand the differentiation. How do they look? Their basic properties. We can also do fractions and the basic operations on fractions on this board. So we are getting a lot of things in one single board. Let's move on to the next one. This is the multiplicator. A very, very difficult thing for you because you can understand all the basic fundamentals of multiplication on this, but not just multiplication of positive numbers. So basically you can understand how to easily multiply a negative integer with a negative integer or a positive and a negative integer together. And I promise you, you will never ever forget that concept once you do it on this. This one is the number interactor. This will easily explain to you the fundamental operations, addition and subtraction, and also the concept of equality and inequality. Let's move on to the next board now. This is the mensurator. So first of all, as the name suggests, everything of mensuration. So you can find area, perimeter very easily using this board. But apart from that, it also covers many concepts of number systems. So for example, you can easily understand the concepts of common factors, common multiples, what are factors and multiples, how to find the LCM, how to find the HCF, and how to find all the divisors of a number. You can understand on this board. All right. Let's move on to the next board. This is the number twister. So a lot of numbers are given on this. First of all, understanding the concepts of prime number, even number, odd number, factors of a number, everything can be done on this board. So it is going to make your number calculations and everything very easy. And finally, we come to the decimal operator. Decimal operator is for you to understand all the basic fundamentals of decimals and also learn the value of place values, not just of whole numbers or natural numbers, but also of decimal numbers. As you can see, all the place values are written over here. Along with all the magical boards, you will also be provided with certain 3D shapes and certain measuring containers which can tell the students about the lessons of volume and capacity. Along with that, you will also get toolkits, separate toolkits for each board, so that you will have the necessary tools to perform the different experiments. With that, we will provide you with the lab manuals in which all experiments will be given, which are based on the entire course and curriculum of each grade. And along with that, you will also be provided with the video tutorials on how to perform those experiments. So if you want to get the EduMeasy Math Primary Lab installed, please contact on the given number below or contact us at www.edumeasy.com.